Okay, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to find and replace data in Microsoft Excel. Now, often people are given spreadsheets with tables which have information, and sometimes there can be mistakes in them. So I'm going to show you the most common and quick way that you can quickly replace an entry in a table, or more than one entry in a table, if a mistake has been made. Okay, so just to look at our table, which is basically containing some sample sales data, you can see that we've got order month, country, item, no of items, cost, and total. However, there's a mistake in this table. Under country, we've got Alaska. Now, the person who meant to do this table basically mistyped this. It was supposed to be Australia, because as we know, Alaska is a state. Right, so how would the person who's made this mistake have to correct it really quickly? Right, well, what we do is we use the find and replace option. Now, this is most commonly accessed by pressing Ctrl and F on your keyboard. So, there. Right, now, this dialog box has two tabs, find and replace. Now, find is used just to find the occurrence of whatever you're looking for. Replace is used to replace what you're looking for with something else. Now, that's what we want to select. So, we go on over to replace. So we basically got this bit here, find what, and replace with. So in our case, we would say find Alaska and replace with Australia. Now, just to quickly overview these options, we've got replace all, replace, find next, and close. Now, sometimes people want to see every occurrence before they replace the word. In this case, we know that there's no other words that contain Alaska on this worksheet. It's all under this column here, and these are the ones we want to replace. So we would hit replace all, which would immediately just replace every occurrence of Alaska with Australia. Okay, so I'm going to hit replace all. Then this dialog box has popped up and it's saying all done, we made 5 replacements. Okay. Right. And that's how you do it, folks. That's how you can use the find and replace option to quickly correct mistakes on a table, and going one step above that, on a worksheet as well. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. Thank you for listening and watching. We have seen how data can be quickly found and replaced in Microsoft Excel. If there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out.